മനസ്സിലോ കല്യാണരാമായണം വിളിച്ചു പോയി മാംഗല്യപ്പൂവൈ തുമ്പി തുമ്പിക്കല്യാണത്തിന് വന്നെത്തിയ തുമ്പികളെ തുമ്പക്കൊടി അഴകൊള്ളിവരാരോ കൈവിളക്കി കുടവട്ടത്തിങ്കൾ കുടയാട്ടം നാളെ തെളിമാനം വീടാക്കാം മനസ്സിലോ കല്യാണത്തിന് വന്നെത്തിയ തുമ്പികളെ ആരോ കുന്നിമണി പേരിൽ വരും ചെക്കനയും കൂട്ടരെയും കല്യാണത്തിന് വന്നെത്തിയ തുമ്പികളെ തുമ്പക്കൊടി
dirty, poor, good for nothing people are really a nuisance. They lie or park themselves just about anywhere and make the place filthy.
In fact, it's because of such people that our country has got a bad name.
If I were to become the minister, the first thing I do so is to make India a clean country by sending away these poor people out of the country.
Let's hope and pray that he may not become a minister.
Did you say something?
Sir, I was saying that you become a prime minister.
That's my pet dream. By the way, is our election manifesto ready? Keep intact all the promises I have dictated to you. Add some from your side as well. There must be more attractive promises than what those in the opposition can ever offer.
Yes, sir. I have made a long list of some very, very attractive promises. Number 1, if a party is voted to poor, the poor will be given all necessary medical help free of cost. But, sir, we will also distribute TV sets and computers to them free of cost. After a year, there will not be any poor left in our country.
Isn't that promises attractive?
Indeed, but sir, is this really possible?
Talksend secretary, these are just election promises. Any fool knows that these are not possible. Come on now, next.
Number 2, all the adults and children will be made literate within 5 years. But sir, is this really possible?
Oh, which fool appointed you as my secretary? He must be a nut.
Sir, it was you alone who appointed me as your secretary.
But why do you have to ask such a silly question? You know that it's not practical. Come on next and hurry up for God's sake.
Number 3, a computer will be provided to every child across the country. But sir,
it's impossible, okay?
As soon as we are voted to power, the poor will be given all necessary medical help free of cost.
Please help me. I am hungry and thirsty. Please take me to the hospital. Please, please.
Sir, this poor man is asking for free medical help. Is this possible?
It's not possible. That's not our job. We are not social workers. We are politicians. We have to get ready for the coming election. Do you understand?
Very well, sir.
Who asked for an expert opinion? By the way, we have to find where the Twelling Road. That is at Mangal Karyalaya that a party meeting will be held.
What's the scheduled time, sir?
Oh, at 5 in the evening and it's already 4 o'clock. But don't worry, it won't start before 6 o'clock. We are following the IST.
What does the abbreviation stand for, sir? Indian Standard Time?
Ha ha, Indian Stretchable Time.
You have a good sense of humor, sir.
When they made the exit, a doctor and a nurse entered.
Did you go through the book that I had given you?
Of course, doctor. It speaks about the miserable condition of the poor in our country. I am deeply touched by it.
So am I. Why can't our government do something to improve their lot? I wonder. It just want our votes, I think. The leaders of our freedom struggle has cherished certain dreams of new India, and the architects of constitution frame the constitution accordingly. But what is the condition now? The country is facing a severe condition of economic exploitation, unemployment, poverty, illiteracy, malnutrition, corruption. The condition is sickening.
The poor must be liberated from economic and social bondage. Their condition must be improved at all costs. Otherwise, our country will remain backward.
Please help me. I am dying. Please admit me to the hospital. Please, please.
Oh, that man seems to be in terrible pain.
Oh, poor fellow. We must take him to hospital.
Wait, nurse, we are already late for the doctors' national conference. Today, not only the doctors from India, but many from abroad are coming to talk on how to fight against many killer diseases. We can't afford to miss the sessions.
But doctor,
Oh, come on, nurse. That's the work of the municipality. By the way, I'm going to America next month to attend a very important seminar on how to deal with the poor in India.
a seminar in America on how to deal with the poor in India.
Oh, hurry up, nurse.
Next,
I'm sorry,
Yes,
I can't help you.
a photographer and his assistant enter. The photographer is trying to focus on something.
Sir! Hey, why do you frighten me? What do you want? Sir, you wanted to take a photograph of a poor man, isn't it? Here is a miserably poor man. A poor man in a park. That will make an excellent photograph. Smile, please. Oh, sir. How can he smile? He seems to be in terrible agony. What to do? It has become a habit to say, smile please. It's better for you not to take the photograph at funerals.
Please help me. I am terribly sick. Please admit me to the hospital. Please, please.
To hospital? Oh no, who's got the time? I think it's rather a complicated thing. It's better to go our own way and mind your own business. Let me take one more snap. Turn your face a little like this way. Oh, please be happy. You're a lucky fellow. Your photograph will appear in our newspaper. Cheer up, friend.
Next, two friends.
Hello, why didn't you come out yesterday? I had called you several times.
Really? I had a lot of homework to do.
Homework? I hate homework. Why do these teachers give us so much of homework?
Some of the questions and answers are to be done at home. Otherwise, the portion cannot be completed at time. Besides, I think they want to check whether we understood in the matter.
Whatever, I hate homework. We spend a lot of time at tuitions and at homework. When do we get time to enjoy life?
What kind of enjoyment are you talking about?
Don't we need to watch TV? Go to the movies with a lot of tishum. Haven't we to play computer games? Play and watch cricket? Go to the hotels? Or is our life to be wasted on the boring subjects and homeworks?
You are my friend, but I don't agree with all your views. We are students. Our primary duty is to study. We need some time for relaxation and entertainment. I agree, but enjoyment mustn't be given top priority.
I think you will make a good preacher.
Please help me. I am terribly sick. Please take me to the hospital. Please.
Look, someone is crying in terrible pain. Oh, we must take him to the hospital.
Are you mad? Why get into trouble? We are just students. Our primary duty is to study. As you have said, if we take him to the hospital, a lot of problem may follow. Why bother? He is not one of our dear or near ones.
But he may be someone's dear one.
Leave him. It's time for our cricket match.
But
Come on.
A vegetable vendor enters carrying a basket on her head. She calls out,
Tomato, potato, onion, vegetables, very good for health. Please eat vegetables. If you want, please buy from me.
Please help me. I am dying. Please admit me to the hospital. Please.
Oh my God! Who is this? He is very sick. He needs to be taken to hospital immediately. Oh brother, come here. What's the matter? Look, someone is lying here in terrible pain. He needs to be taken to hospital immediately. Why get into trouble? It's a problematic case. Are you a man or a mouse? He may die soon. Take pity on him. Sorry, but I don't have any money with me. I have some money with me. God is there, isn't it? Let's do what we can. The rest we leave in God's hand.
Now, in the second scene, let us watch find out as to what happens to the poor sick man. He was indeed someone dear to somebody, but to whom? Let's find out in the second scene and the final scene. Hospital. A man is lying on a bench, fully covered with white cloth. The nurse, doctor, politician, and stand around.
your son who ran away had been found.
Oh, really? Oh my God, my dear son, my only son, where is he? I want to meet him. Where is he?
He is there.
What? Dead?
Yes, if he were brought at least an hour ago, he could have been saved. This woman brought him here with the help of a villager, but it was too late. This poor man was lying in the path for the last 3-4 hours. No one was ready to take him to the hospital.
Oh my God, then even I had seen him lying in the path, but I couldn't recognize him. In fact, I didn't even look at him. What a sinner I am. I killed him.
Dad, I heard that my brother has been found. Where is he?
He is no more. He was critically ill and was lying in a path.
Oh God, then I had seen him, but I didn't know it was my brother because I didn't bother to even look at him. I killed my brother.
We must help others. If we only live for ourselves, what kind of life is it? No, don't try to make us feel ashamed of ourselves. Even I am guilty. I gave priority to attend the seminar rather than taking care of a needy person. I ignored him because I thought he was a poor man. I was telling you, doctor, that he needed immediate medical help. If only he had listened to my inner voice. What kind of a wicked and unconcerned world are we living in? Man has no value for man at all. It has rightly been said, service to our fellow men, especially to the poor and the needy, is service to God. How can we claim to serve God whom we cannot see if we don't serve our fellow men whom we can see? Whatsoever you do to the least of my people, that you do unto me. Whatsoever you do to the least of my people, that you do unto me.
പഞ്ചാബി പങ്കിട നെഞ്ചോറും കൊണ്ടിടാ തഞ്ചത്തിൽ കൊഞ്ചിടാ ഓ അജന ചലെ നച്ചലെ छड़ना जावी डोला छड़ना जावी डोला छड़ना जावी डोला डोला छड़ना जावी डोला छड़ना जावी डोला छड़ना जावी डोला डोला रब 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 तेरा रब मेरा रब मेरा रब तेरा रब मेरा रब 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 तेरा रब मेरा 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 रब तेरा रब കുടമണി വെള്ള തുള്ളി തുള്ളി പായും ചോലക്കാറ്റേ കുടമണി വെള്ള തുള്ളി തുള്ളി പായും ചോലക്കാറ്റേ പല വഴി പോയി തീ വഴിയോരം വന്നേ വന്ന് മാനമേ പല്ലേ പല്ലേ മേഘമേ പല്ലേ പല്ലേ മാറിവിൽ പെണ്ണെ വന്നും നാടിപ്പാടു പല്ലേ പല്ലേ ചുടുനാ ജാവി ഡോലാ ചുടുനാ ജാവി ഡോലാ ചുടുനാ ജാവി ഡോലാ റബ് 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 तेरा रब मेरा रब 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 പഞ്ചാബി പങ്കിട നെഞ്ചോറും കൊണ്ടുവാ തഞ്ചത്തിൽ കൊഞ്ചിടാമോ അജന ചലേ നചലേ ചടുനാ ജാവി ഡോലാ 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 ചടുനാ ജാവി ഡോലാ